Welcome back, everybody, to Invested Intelligence. Interesting times in the financial markets, especially cryptocurrency, with USDC depegging all the way down to 84 cents overnight, currently back up at 96 cents as of the recording of this video. But the fact that USDC is depegging at all is a big problem. And ultimately, if anything happens to USDC, the cryptocurrency market is going to be in big trouble. You've also got Silvergate and obviously Silicon Valley Bank. $210 billion of assets have been seized. It's probably going to be liquidated over the next month. That information was presented in our Discord. Our Discord is an amazing community of people who try to keep each other informed. So if you're interested, the link's in the description below. Now, obviously, that liquidation is going to hit the market at some point, and I think we're going to continue to see downside, to be honest. I'm not seeing any signs of relief. I'm not seeing any signs that price wants to go back up. I personally think that if price does start to go back up, it's going to be very short-lived, and ultimately, before the summer, we are going to be down roughly around about 12,000 to 10,000 on Bitcoin. 11,655 is a number I've been looking at for quite some time, and I really do feel that we're probably going to hit that at some point this year. Another thing to be mindful of is the Mt. Gox Bitcoin that's going to be released into the ecosystem from now all the way through to October. Over the next sort of 8 months, it's going to be a staggered approach. It's not just going to be dumped onto the market straight away. But that Bitcoin was purchased at $100 to $813 peak back in 2014 before the hack happened. So ultimately, those investors are going to be receiving Bitcoin that they purchased very cheap. And obviously, with current prices right now, if it was me, I would sell, to be honest. It's only going to be 21% of their original investment, but ultimately 21% is still 21%, right? And 148,000 Bitcoin being staggered from now to October, it's very unlikely that all of these investors are going to be holding onto their Bitcoin, for years to come. Something to be mindful of. Now, a few things in closing. Try to stay calm. It's very easy to be pulled into the markets, emotionally, especially when you see a lot of things that are happening. We can't do anything with what's happening, but what we can do is react accordingly. And if we're calm, at least we're making more informed decisions. Try to stay abreast of what's happening. Don't just believe everything that you see and read. A lot of these headlines are obviously clickbait. They just want you to click the article because it helps them. But the information needs to be dissected, needs to be looked at properly. And if you do struggle, like I said, come into the Discord. We're always open. Anybody and everybody is welcome. And we'll do our best to answer all and any questions. And with that said, I hope everyone has an absolutely fantastic day or evening, wherever you are in the world. And I look forward to speaking to you in the next update. All the best. Take care. Ciao for now.